What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna do this video, show you guys how to switch out the tracks on the Trxx4 equipment tracks for the crawler tires. It's pretty simple. So basically you're gonna take your nut off, of course, and then you got this screw and that screw to take off. And you pop this up off the housing. So you can't just take this shock off and then put your tire on, because your tire will be butted up against that. So leave that alone and just take these two screws off. That way you can lift it off of there and slide your wheel off, slide your track off, and then put your tire on. I'll do a quick video on it. Put you on my head here. Also want to point out, when you do change them, it's also going to lower it. But the tracks are a lot taller than their crawler tires, so it is going to lower it just a bit. I'm going to get that out of the way. I'll show you how to change these out. Sometimes that won't fit. Just to give you the tool, you can remove this as well. But they do provide you one, same thing, and it does fit in there. But I like this thicker one. Give you more grip. You know I'm going to be trying these tracks on the Black Blazer, for sure. For the simple fact the Black Blazer has 2-speed and locking discs. My Traxx is not equipped with that, but we're going to check into that. See what I can do with the options on this. Yeah, like I said, these two certain screws you want to take off. These crawler tires, they're actually directional. So you might want to pay attention to that when you put your wheels on after you take your tracks off. That just slides off. Slide your wheel off like so. Don't forget your nut. But yeah. There's actually a rotation arrow. I don't know if you can see that. I don't know if it makes a difference. Maybe it does, maybe it don't, I don't know. But we're putting the crawler tires on here so we can do a second run, man. And that is how you change your tracks to the crawler tires. Don't over tighten or strip these. You just want it nice and firm, but not loose. And keep your stuff together, man. Can't wait to put them on the blazer. This one here, slightly difficult, but not really. You should be able to take it straight up because you got your right there in the way. Oh, we'll get that done real quick. Try this one. I don't know if that nut will come out of there with that black center cap in there. Let's see if it does. Yeah, so you might have to go ahead and take that off. Nope, it came out. So you don't need to take that off. Well, same 2 screws. You guys notice what I did? Some of you probably did. Forgot to put my other 2 screws back in the other wheel. And this one here just kind of comes straight up with it. Get this out on the rocks and see how it does with the crawler tires. I just wanted to do this video, show you how it works to change them out, in case you have any problems doing that. Okay, now let's put our screws back in. Yeah. Your Trxx4 comes with Allen wrenches. But I like my old German-made Weeha sets. Don't over tighten. You know, just get it snug and tight. Don't go any further. Damage any threads or anything in your plastic. Yeah, shoot, man. I might have to get me a whole nother chassis that's equipped like the Blazer with a locking disc and a 2-speed. And a snow plow. just for my Traxx. So later on today, I'll try to get another video done with the tires, so you guys can see how that works, or see how it performs with the crawler tires. I don't know, I'm ready to see it. I think after I'm done with this video, I'm gonna go back down and do some more work, get them rock piles cleared up, weed-eated and what have you. Clear anyways. Just about done clearing all that out. I can probably have it done today. That way I can actually focus on the trails. Got a vacation coming up next week. Yes sir, I can't wait for that. So I'm probably going to do quite a few videos next weekend during the 4th of July. Alright. Love those Traxx. I like to have an extra set of those Traxx, but they're like $200 for a set. They're not cheap. So, here's what we're looking like with the crawler tires. Not bad. So like I said, it did lower it just a bit, but not much. Not much at all, really. Check into a lift kit for this as well, at least. So, thanks for watching, guys. Tune in later when I do the second run with the crawler tires. Thanks for watching.